Okay.
You wrecked the road, right, Viking? Viking, you wrecked the road, right?
Yep, I wrecked it.
Now I'm gonna fix it.
You're gonna fix it for me?
Yep, bam. I'm gonna float everything in the air. And then everything will fall on me. And be covered in chocolate.
Chocolate, yummy. I'm gonna eat you all up if you're covered in chocolate.
Covered in, I'm gonna be covered in poison scorpion.
Covered in poison scorpions.
Yeah.
I won't eat you then.
Oh, I'm gonna be covered in scorpion juice.
Hey, well done. Good climbing. Hi,
I
cutie.
ran out of gas.
Uh-oh, you need to go to Flo's Diner.